Today we're showing you how to make an all-natural makeup remover. You just need 2 simple ingredients for this recipe. We'll use 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. So all we need to do here is mix our 2 ingredients together. To remove our makeup, we're using the avocado oil in this video, but you can use any kind of oil at all. The oil helps to remove the makeup, while the witch hazel adds some cleansing and soothing properties. So you could just use oil on its own to remove makeup, but witch hazel is really great, especially if you find that you get any slight irritation from your makeup or if rubbing it off irritates your skin. Some people with very sensitive skin will find this. So the witch hazel just helps to soothe any irritation that might be caused and add an extra little boost of cleansing power to this makeup remover. Once you've mixed the 2, you can grab your dropper bottle and a funnel and pour your makeup remover into your bottle. We're using a dropper bottle, but you can use any kind of bottle or jar that works best for you. Keep in mind that if you're going to use coconut oil for this recipe, it will be solid at room temperature, so a jar is a better option. And there you have your 2 ingredient makeup remover.